Hello aspirants, welcome to Competitive Quiz Arena. Here you will get daily high quality GK questions for all competitive exams. So stay focused and let's begin. Which Indian state has the longest coastline in India? Answer option C, Gujarat. The largest coral reef system in the world is answer option B, Great Barrier Reef. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by answer option C, President of India. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? Answer option C, 8. The largest producer of coffee in India is answer option C, Karnataka. The Battle of Plassey was fought in answer option A, 1757. The SI unit of power is answer option C, Watt. The headquarters of SARC is in answer option B, Kathmandu. The largest river island in the world is answer option A, Majuli. The fundamental duties were added to the constitution by answer option A, 42 amendment. The currency of Japan is answer option C, yen. The red planet is answer option B, Mars. The first woman governor of an Indian state was answer option A, Sarojini Naidu. The Indian Standard Time IST is based on answer option B, 82.5 degree east longitude. The largest dam in India by height is answer option C, Tehuri Dam. The study of earthquakes is called answer option A, seismology. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna was answer option B, C. Rajgopalachari. The largest producer of mica in India is answer option C, Jharkhand. The president of India can be removed by answer option D, impeachment. The chemical symbol of gold is answer option B, AU. The national aquatic animal of India is answer option B, Ganges dolphin. The capital of Australia is answer option C, Canberra. The first Sikh Guru was answer option B, Guru Nanak Dev. The longest mountain range in the world is answer option B, Andes. The governor of a state is appointed by answer option B, president. The largest internal organ of the human body is answer option A, liver. The headquarters of RBI is located in answer option C, Mumbai. The Quit India movement was launched in answer option B, 1942. The smallest state of India by area is Answer option B, Goa. The unit of frequency is. Answer option A, hertz. The largest producer of tea in India is. Answer option A, Assam. The first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal was. Answer option B, Karnam Maleshwari. The parliament can amend the constitution under. Answer option A, Article 368. The deepest lake in the world is. Answer option B, Lake Baikal. The process of conversion of water vapor into water is called. Answer option B, condensation. The author of Discovery of India is. Answer option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. The national flower of India is. Answer option B, lotus. The headquarters of ISRO is in. Answer option B, Bengaluru. The longest railway platform in India is located at. Answer option C, Hubballi. The largest coal producer in India is. Answer option C, Chhattisgarh. The father of the Green Revolution in India is. Answer option B, M.S. Swaminathan. So aspirants, that's all for today's quiz. How many questions did you get correct? Comment your score below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Competitive Quiz Arena. See you in the next video. Thank you.